Hello everyone and welcome to the 6th episode of our tutorials for FreelanceOS. In today's video I want to show you a little bit more about the reporting section. Within here we're going to pull a report based on some of the projects that we've got going on. And I want to show you how flexible this tool is to be able to pull everything that you need from the platform. So first of all, we have a few templates which you can preload. So if I just wanted to pull high value opportunities, I can click on one of these and it will preload all of the filters and projects and columns that you need for that. But today I'm going to start from scratch and show you how to pull a list of high value projects. So to do that, first we need to choose our data set. And for that, I'm going to choose projects. And the first thing that we need to do is define the columns that we want to show. So here we have project name, client name, assignee. These are all the kind of things that I would like to include in my report. Perhaps I don't need to have status, so I can uncheck that. Quoted amount we're going to need if we're going to pull the high value opportunity, so I'm going to include that. Due date we'll keep. And I'm also going to include services, and services was a custom field which we added at the beginning of the tutorials, and this will tell you a little bit more about the service that they have booked in that report that we're going to pull. So yes, this does also include the custom fields that you have set up yourself. Secondly, we only want to show high value projects, and to do that I need to use a filter. So I'm going to add a filter here. And I'm going to say, I want to include a filter for the quoted amount where the value is greater than 1,000. And if I also want to only take high priority projects, I can also select the field priority is exactly high. And by matching against all filters, it is value higher than 1,000 and the priority is high. And let's say I want to sort by the highest value first, so we'll sort by quoted amount ascending. And at the bottom here it appears that I don't have any projects that match that filter, so maybe I'll take off this priority high one, and there you can see that the projects have loaded. Since I didn't have any priorities assigned to these projects. And actually I want to have the direction descending to see the higher value ones first. So now I can see my projects sorted by highest first. And if I'm happy with that preview and I don't want to change anything else, I can now go back up to the top here and I can click Export CSV, and that will download me an Excel sheet in which I can create graphs and do whatever I want with that data. So that summarizes our reporting feature.